What's up, my ninjas? This is the Internet Income Ninja with another video on how you can earn money. Money online. Guys, thanks so much for stopping by, and I encourage you to hit that subscribe button, smash that notification bell, like, comment, and share. That increases the likelihood of somebody seeing this video and having an opportunity to earn money online. Okay? Speaking of earning money online, check the links in the description below because those links share with you ways to set up an automated system online to earn money online while you're sleeping. Or if you have a business established, there are free trainings that teach you how to get leads for your business. Even if your business is online, you still need Even though your business is online, you still need customers. These leads are potential customers. So guys, do yourselves a favor. Check the links in the description below. You will be pleasantly surprised. If you choose not to opt into one of those options, then at least you would have learned something new and are able to share something with a family member or friend. Let's jump into this quick video, this short review video. This app is called Drop. Alright, it's called Drop. It's for everyone. It's a shopping app, and they have over 7,000 reviews. Okay, so Drop is a money-making app that focuses on people who like to shop. Why? That's because it's a new kind of rewards program created just for your lifestyle, from your morning coffee to your late night food delivery. Use Drop to earn cash rewards on everything you do. So every time there is a transaction, there is a cash reward. Okay, so get more from your money, sign up for free, and see why over 4 million members love Drop. Let's find out why over 4 million members love Drop. So pretty much what you do is link your credit and or debit cards to the secure, emphasis on secure, Drop app. What that will do is it will take all the hassle out of you needing to redeem anything, out of you having to sign up any forms to claim any bonuses. All of that stuff is taken away because your card is directly linked to your app. Next, get points for shopping, playing games, and taking surveys directly in the Drop app. So even if it's Uber Eats, even if you're going out to your favorite spot, use the Drop app to shop, play games, take surveys. So order stuff, whatever you usually order, the Drop app will record these purchases and so on. If you are into playing games, play your games, and if you're into taking surveys, take surveys. No, you get rewarded. You redeem your points for gift cards at brands you love, or those points can be converted to cash. Cash rewards for shopping. Okay, and that's why you link your card. Okay, that's why you link your card. You get me? That way you can redeem your points for products on various sites like Amazon or other places that you can purchase stuff. Now, features you love. Personalized deals. You can shop at over 400 brands you love and discover ones you're about to. Alright? Automatic earning. There's no receipt scanning, no coupon clipping. You earn points automatically every time you shop through the Drop app. So the app has a bunch of stores. It says over 400, and each time you want something to buy, you can shop through the app, and the app will record your points, and once you record your points, you can claim gift vouchers and so forth for your next purchase. Alright, so you will redeem your points for gift cards directly in the Drop app whenever and wherever you want. And there are more ways to earn. Now you can earn points for playing games and taking surveys. We're always adding more ways to earn. Now, gift cards for top brands. So for fashion, there's brands like Adidas, Nike, Ray-Ban, Lululemon, Everlane, Aerie, and more. Travel, Hotels.com, Expedia, American Airlines, Four Seasons, and more. Beauty, Sephora, Ulta, Glossier, and more. Shopping, Amazon, Walmart, Best Buy, Costco, Target, and more. Entertainment, StubHub, Fan Exchange, and more. Food, Uber Eats, Starbucks, Shake Shack, Whole Foods, Dunkin' Donuts, and so much more. So you can see that most or a lot of the biggest names in various industries are on the Drop app. And instead of just buying things straight from their site or straight at the place, you can buy through their app and get points while you shop. Points that you can redeem for gift cards and the purchases of other things. So, 3 reasons you love the Drop app. It's guilt-free shopping. Splurge without that sinking feeling. Get a little something back every time you shop. You can stack your savings. You can earn points with Drop and with your credit card. So it's a win-win. You'll use stacked deals to find sales and special limited time offers at your favorite brands, and in addition to those deals, you'll earn rewards points back on those purchases when you shop with Drop. Now, rewards without the red tape. No more coupon clipping or receipt scanning as was mentioned before. You simply download the free Drop app to uncover next level deals and start earning cash rewards today. Follow us to stay up to date on our latest deals, contests, and giveaways. And you can do that by checking out www.joindrop.com. And I will just leave a link to that in the description below. In fact, I'll leave all these links in the description below. You can check it out. Okay? And with that said, you can check out the other links I left there, because those links teach you to earn way more than you would with Drop. Picture earning $1,000 a day. Picture earning more than $1,000 per day. If you earned $1,000 per day for a month of 30 days, that would be $30,000. Have you ever earned that much in a month? No? Well, it's more than possible. Way more than possible. People are doing that. People are doing more than that every day. Every day. Check the links in the description below. Scratch your itch. Satisfy your curiosity. Go ahead. Take the red pill. Guys, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video, but before you go, I invite you to hit that subscribe button, smash that notification bell, like this video, comment on it, and share with your friends, family, uncles, cousins, your dog, your enemy, your frenemies. Share it with everyone. Copy this link, the link to this video, and share it on your Facebook feed. People will love you for it. Thanks so much again. Stay tuned, stay safe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.